Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today we are making pumpkin cake and I bought this pumpkin. It's so nice. It's Halloween pumpkin, but this is the cooking one. Look at that color, so nice. So we're cutting the pumpkin here. Look at that pumpkin. Look at that color, so nice. This is so nice pumpkin. First time we're using this one. It's cooking pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin, but it's a cooking one. There it is. We need 1 cup, so we will peel this and have 1 cup of pumpkin to make the pumpkin cake. Amy's trying to grate the pumpkin here.
You can get that in the...
Here I have 4 eggs, 1 stick of butter. I'll melt this a little bit. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I'll use a hand mixer and beat the eggs with all the spices. You don't need a mixer for this, you can just use your hand. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar, not too sweet because the pumpkin is already sweet. Add in the butter, 1 stick of butter. Amy's beating it. Look at that. She's doing such a good job. Oh, babe, thank you. Thank you, baby. Good job. I pureed the pumpkin for a minute, and there it is, finely. More finely than a grater. With 1/2 cup of water. Add in 1 cup of the pumpkin puree. Nice color. Making pumpkin cake, guys. Didn't eat this for many years. Oh, it looks so nice. Add in 1/2 cup of cream. Look at the batter. The color is so nice. Smells good too. Here I have 2 cups of flour. I'll sip a little at a time. Other sets of flour. Siphon the flour, make the cake taste better, smoother in your mouth. It's a smooth texture. Then I have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder here. 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything. An easy way for me, I just like to spray the pan. It's pan spray. Spray use. Add in the batter now. Get everything out. I will just shake it on a little. Looks good. Looks good. So I'll put this in the air fryer for 45 minutes on 350. Then I'll come back and show you. Check in the cake now. Oh my god, look how nice it looks, babe. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yep, look how nice it looks. So nice. Cake is all done. Looking nice. Such a nice color. Yes, tomorrow when it cool down. Now it's 10 o'clock at night, so tomorrow we'll put frosting, okay?
Okay.
Check out the cake here. Looks so nice. Look at that color. Pumpkin cake after a long time. Looks so good. Cake is all cool off. Looking so good. Now I'll do a little icing on it. Flip it over. There it is, looking so nice. Pumpkin cake looking so nice. So colorful. So orange. Looking so nice. I'll do a little icing on the cake. And I'm using this cream cheese, pumpkin spice. Because it's pumpkin cake, so I'm using pumpkin spice cream cheese. Here I have 3/4 stick of butter, half a cup of icing sugar, half a cup of the cream cheese, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. I melted the butter, so 3/4 stick of butter, half a cup of icing sugar, half a cup of cream cheese, pumpkin spice, half a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until a smooth texture. I just will drizzle the icing on the cake. Check out the cake, guys. This is a soft icing I made. Just add some sprinkle there, pumpkin sprinkle. It's Thanksgiving, so everything is orange. It's a pumpkin cake. Anyways, guys, I hope you like how it turns out. Thanks for watching. I hope you like how the pumpkin cake comes out. Looking good. Looking really nice. It's a soft icing, pumpkin spice icing. Looking good. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And I would like to wish my husband a happy birthday from my 2 daughters and myself. Happy birthday. Thanks again. Bye-bye.